Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Miracle Mirror. In today's video, let's see how to do body polishing at home. It includes only 3 simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, you need to prepare the scrub. For that, take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. You may use the regular kitchen haldi or kasturi haldi, whichever is available to you. And now add 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk and mix it very well until it forms a thick paste-like consistency. It should not be too dry or not so runny. It should be in this kind of consistency. And now our scrub is ready. So the first step is to take a shower in lukewarm water, or else pat your entire body or the area with a warm towel. By doing so, the nutrients or the oils or whatever we are applying later on will be able to deeply enter into the skin and makes it intensely nourished and healthy. Now the second step is to massage your body with the oil. Here I am using the coconut oil. So take a little onto your palm and apply it all over your body and massage it gently in circular motions for at least 10 minutes. Massaging your body with the oil is really beneficial, especially during winters, as it helps to retain the moisture in your body. Also removes the dryness, scaly or flaky skin texture by penetrating deeply into the skin and making it glowing throughout the day. Next step is to apply the scrub. Generously apply the scrub to the entire area and let it stay for around 10 to 15 minutes until it is semi-dry. As the scrub is kind of semi-dry, sprint a little water and thereafter scrub your body gently. Exfoliating your skin twice a week helps to remove the dry, dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It is beneficial to increase the blood circulation in our body, which in turn provides a healthy, natural glow from within. Also beneficial to remove blemishes, pigmentation or suntan and dark marks. If your skin is dry or dehydrated, by exfoliating, the skin cells that is as flaky or scaly skin cells will get exfoliated and will be removed. Remove the scrub using a damp towel and later wash it off with the cold water, or else follow a refreshing bath to remove it, and make sure to avoid using a soap. Simply washing it off with plain water is more than enough. So yeah, our body polishing technique is completely done. You may follow this twice or thrice a week, but if you're having a sensitive skin, it is better to follow it once a week. So I hope this video was useful for you. If so, please do like and subscribe for more. Also share it with your friends and family as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.